We're very, very grateful for the support and investment that LifeFloor has made in the City of Albuquerque in this beautiful new splash pad floor.
Having the LifeFloor in place is huge impact, very profound impact on our community. Out of dozens of applications, the City of Albuquerque was chosen. I got chills and goosebumps when I heard it, and it was really cool to be recognized.
One of the biggest things I like about the floor that you can see behind me is it's not on the concrete anymore. The brushed concrete, it's rough on the kids' feet. If they do slip and fall, they're cut up, they're bruised up.
So once we had that LifeFloor in, it transformed the space. It made it so much safer. So not only is it like slip resistant, but also fall resistant as well.
The incorporation of the LifeFloor definitely beautified the place, but also offered that extra level of security and safety for those who would use it, especially our younger kids who are a little more prone to slipping and that kind of stuff.
We had an old facility, and I will say that LifeFloor has given this splash pad a new life. We're extremely grateful and appreciative to LifeFloor for investing in our community, being a partner with us. And we want to take the investment that LifeFloor has made in Albuquerque and magnify it tenfold for our community.